Hey guys, back in the video. See, I already started. I'm sorry, you guys. So, this is the baking soda and this soap and flour slime. So, you guys, if you already don't know, let me just get some perfect angles, guys. I'm so sorry I'm unprepared. So then I use this soap, and you can use any type of baking soda you want. But I used flour. So then after you're done using the flour, you're gonna just mix it. And I already have a couple of slimes I'm about to show you, but they're not really ready. So then as I transition this one into the refrigerator, I'm gonna show you the other ones. Wait one second. I'm back. Okay, so you guys, this one right here is the lotion and toothpaste slime. And this one right here is the galaxy slime, I call it. But the galaxy slime is like really fun to play with. If you guys can't see this, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, it's really fun to play with because you can do this. And like every time that you do that, it gets more fluffy, you guys. And every time that it gets fluffier, you can get actually fluffy slime. But honestly, you don't have to do fluffy slime if you want. So after you're done adding the flour, mix it, and then keep it in the freezer. Not for long, you guys. Are you thinking that's long? No, not for long. You can put it in for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then yes. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like after 5-10 minutes. Okay, so after 5-10 minutes, you guys, it's slimy, pretty slimy. Sorry. You guys can see that. Pretty slimy. And comment below, like, share, follow if you're new here. If you're new, alright, like, share, follow, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Please do that. And comment below if you want me to do more challenges. Not even like I don't have to keep on doing slime. You can make me do challenges, all that stuff. So you know, oh yeah, and in a couple more weeks, I'm gonna have somebody else do my vlogs. You will see, but it's gonna be really interesting. So you know what? Comment down below who you think that's gonna be in my next vlog. Comment down below that. And then after you're done with that slime, I'm gonna show you how to make another slime. With only I gotta think for a second. You guys, I'm just saying, like, I really like how the galaxy slime came out. And if you guys are wondering how to make the galaxy slime, I'm gonna need glitter glue.
Yeah,
Alright. You're gonna need glitter glue, toothpaste, salt, and sugar. And you guys can.
Let that dog back here.
Huh?
Where the dog at?
Outside. I'm gonna bring him in, don't worry. See how this is coming out well? And then you can just play with it. You know? I should honestly just keep this slime in my slime kit. I was playing, I don't have a slime kit. And that was a video, you guys. I know I literally just now said that I was going to teach you how to make my slime. And I will. Soon when I get this up out of there. So, you guys, and if you have not heard of, you know, I have some couple shout outs. I just want to shout out to Toys Channel, JSH DIY. Shout out to him too. And just shout out to our people who make slime, because I really watch your videos and think to myself like how do I want myself to become a slime people? You know, as a slime person who makes slime videos and people who like them. So, you know, I started this slime video, well, this slime channel, so I feel like I wanna make people happy. And you know, sometimes it was borax, but guess what? I'm gonna let you on a little secret. Borax can give you 3rd-degree burns. Some borax can give you 3rd-degree burns if you use it in your slime. Some, I'm not saying all borax, but I prefer not to use borax because, no, I prefer not to use borax. But like, don't think that that you're not going to go to Walmart or Target or anything to get your glue, your glitter glue, and I don't do no glue videos. But I will. So again, if you want to make the galaxy slime, you're gonna need see this. Well, you guys, it's like a little bit. Do my accent. Little bit. It's like a little bit sticky, but look. Do you see this on my hands? Do you see this on my hand? Came right off. And that is how, like, oh yeah, I forgot. If you're new, well, I already said this, but if you're new here, please comment down below that you're new, and I will shout you out. And if you want to get a shout out, you can comment below something nice. Comment down something below nice, and I just want to say thank you for all the people who have been supporting me ever since I started vlogging. And I know this is like my 2nd day of vlogging. but you know, I do want to say thank you for supporting me. If you already subscribed and if you already commented, and I do want to say thank you, because you know, without you guys, without you guys inspiring other people, inspiring me actually, it would not work. Thank you guys. Alright, Dad, love you. See you later.
Try to find a remote for me.
Alright. He always ruins my blog, and I hate it. I hate it. He always ruins my blog, and he asks me to get him something. No. So then, yeah. And the more this clip with the galaxy slime, the more funner it'll get. Oh yeah, and guys, if you're thinking like with slime guitar, it's just not gonna get hard. So again, this is made with glitter glue. This glitter glue. Don't worry, I have more glitter glue upstairs. This glitter glue and salt, sugar, and toothpaste. So I just want to say, before I go, I just want to say thank you for everybody. Oh yeah, and I will be giving away. I'm going to start making my own merch, and I'm going to start wearing it every vlog that I do. And I'm going to start making my own merch. And yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. And I just want to say thank you for supporting me in my dreams to become a YouTube slime maker or whatever, anything you want to call it. And you know, I just really need the most subscribers or viewers, anything, just for you to support me. Thank you very much. And see you until tomorrow, because just like I said in my first vlog, I do vlogs every day. Y'all can see that. Okay, bye. See y'all tomorrow. And I will be vlogging tomorrow, you know that. Bye, you guys. See you next time.